Hey guys, so today I'm going to read one of my favorites. It's called Don't Push the Button. It's probably backwards, but I'll read it for you guys. All right. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. Hmm. It does look pretty nice though. I wonder what would happen if we push it. No. No, we can't. We mustn't. Psst, no one is looking. You should give the button a little push. Ah! Now I'm yellow. Push it again. Now I'm yellow and polka dots. Push it twice. Oh, now there's two of me. Push it a bunch of times. Uh-oh. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. You guys help me shake it, shake it, shake it. Whew, almost. There's a little bit more. Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's stomach to get him back to normal. Miss my scratching it. Okay, that tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push that button again. But it was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes.